This video is going to illustrate how to do asymmetrical balance. So I have two pieces of paper here, 6-inch squares. I'm going to take my black piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to open it back up again. So by folding it in half, I know where my halfway point is. And I'm going to show you. So this is kind of dividing my page in half, right? So with asymmetrical balance, you have balance, but the shapes aren't symmetrical. They aren't radial. All right, so they are going to be two different shapes that are going to take up about the same amount of space. So we're going to focus on organic first. So I'm going to draw my first organic shape over here. And then I need to draw a second organic shape. Now it could actually be two over here if I wanted it to, taking up about the same amount of space. So because I'm taking up the rectangle here and then also this fills the rectangle over here, these shapes should automatically show balance. So I need to cut them out. This one takes a little bit more time because there's more cutting. Since we don't have our paper folded in any way, we have to cut out the shapes individually. So it takes a little bit more time because of cutting. So I'm going to place my first shape here on the one side. Here's my second shape. Now if I just have it like this, notice that they're not balanced. One side is definitely heavier than the other. This side is way outweighing this side. That's why I need another little shape to go in there to balance out the other side. So a lot of people think that asymmetrical balance means it's not balanced. No, it's still balanced. It just doesn't have symmetry. So here, my second shape that I add there on that side now has balanced it out. So if we could like take all this stuff and combine it and put it on a scale, it would be about the same as that. So now I'm going to glue those down. All right, so this is organic, and it has asymmetrical balance, so it's asymmetry. So the A in front of symmetry just basically means that it doesn't have symmetry, but it is still balanced. So our second one is going to be geometric. I am going to do the same exact steps, except my shapes are going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to open it up. All right, so I need to do a geometric shape over here. That takes up the majority of my rectangle. All right, so there's a geometric shape. And then I need to do something different over here. I make sure that whenever I draw my shapes that they're interesting. All right, so these are two different shapes, but they're taking up the majority of my rectangle, so they should balance each other out. So I have one shape that I can place here. All right, and now I have my second shape. So they're about the same size, they look different, but they're taking up about the same amount of space, so therefore they balance each other out. That is asymmetrical balance. It's not the same on both sides, but they're equal. All right, so this is geometric, asymmetry. Go ahead and try it.